Hi guys, Mooney back here with another video. Today we are gonna take a look on the latest leaks and news about the upcoming iPhone 12. The new upcoming iPhone is very likely to come in 4 variants. Yes, 4. 2 normal model iPhone 12 and 12 Max and 2 Pro models, 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. All 4 models are expected to come with OLED screens and 5G, but the 2 Pro models will step up to a 120Hz refresh rate and more cameras and sensors. Looking at the design of the new upcoming iPhones, we should expect flatter design with less curves, more like the iPhone 5 design, and a small notch as well. For the pricing, I think it's gonna be a big shock for everyone, at least if we compare the price leaks of the iPhone 12 series with the pricing from the Galaxy S series from this year. Apple is keeping their price low. For the base model, starting with $649 for the iPhone 12 and $1,099 for the 12 Pro Max. Here we can see some leaks from John Prosser for the iPhone 12 price and features and the specs of the new lineup. For the iPhone 12 we can see we will have a 5.4-inch OLED screen, 5G compatible with 2 rear cameras for $649. For the 12 Max we will have a 6.1-inch OLED screen, 5G compatible with 2 rear cameras for $749. So between these two, the major thing is gonna be the size of the screen. Both iPhone 12 will have aluminum frames. Now for the iPhone 12 Pro, we will have a 6.1 OLED screen with 120Hz and 5G compatible. As for the cameras, we will have 3 rear cameras and the LiDAR sensor for $999. And finally, the 12 Pro Max will have a 6.7-inch OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, 5G compatible, and the 3 rear cameras plus the LiDAR sensor for $1,099. Both iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will have a steel frame, but the 120Hz refresh rate is not 100% sure. We may have to wait till the next year to see 120Hz on an iPhone. And according to the latest rumors, the new iPhone lineup will have no charger included in the box. Oh my god, that's a really big thing. Apple always did what they thought is the best and they are doing it again. This happens probably because Apple will want a cable-less iPhone in the future without a charging port or any wireless, so I guess they want the customers to accommodate to this slowly. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.